Hello, students. Today we learn about thermoenergy. So what is thermoenergy? Thermoenergy means the total energy, like kinetic energy plus potential energy, of the particles that made up a substance. Thermoenergy relates to the total amount of kinetic energy of its atoms and molecules in a system. Thermoenergy is the cause for the temperature of system. Every system have a temperature above absolute zero has a positive thermoenergy. We will talk about absolute zero when we learn the temperature. Thermoenergy occurs due to the random movements of the molecules, atoms, and the electrons of the system. The atoms have kinetic energies. When these atoms collide with each other and with the walls of the system, they release thermal energy as photons. Thermal energy can be converted into the mechanical energy using a heat engine. Thermal energy is measured with calories and joules. Thermal energy is measured with calories and joules, same as the heat. The amount of thermal energy depends on its temperature and its mass. So you can see here gas, liquid, and solid. Inside this substance, they have molecules move all the time. The atoms they move around. So when the temperature goes high, the movement will be faster. The molecules will move very faster. So how to increase the thermal energy? Thermal energy, you can eat food, increase your thermal energy. That's from the chemical energy into the thermal energy. Thermal energy, you can do exercise, like a movement, then you can increase thermal energy. For example, when you rub your hands get warm. When two cars bump together, they will increase thermal energy. So when temperature increases, thermal energy is transferred to molecules, and molecules gain kinetic energy, hence the molecules move very fast. Compare different thermal energy. More molecules equal more thermal energy. How to say that? You look at these small cups of water and a huge bottle of water, both at the 30 degrees Celsius. But this one, because it's have more mass, so they have more particles, they have more thermal energy. So can you think about this one? The same temperature, different size of liquid. Which one has more thermal energy? The second is higher temperature equal more thermal energy. So look at this picture. Which one has more thermal energy? They have different temperature. 20 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius, and 100 degrees Celsius. Of course, it's 100 because more temperature, more thermal energy. So can you do this one? They have different, the same size bottle of water, but have different temperature. So which one has more thermal energy? Can you tell me about that? Difference between the thermal energy and the temperature. Temperature is measurement of average kinetic energy of the particles of substance. The value of temperature can be positive and negative. The unit of measurement of temperature are Celsius, Kelvin, and Fahrenheit. Temperature does not depend on the quantity of a substance but relate to the average kinetic energy of the particles of the substance. Thermal energy refers to the total energy which includes total kinetic energy. The value of thermal energy is always positive. They cannot be negative. And the units of thermal energy are joules and calories. But we know the temperature, they have three units are Celsius, Kelvin, and Fahrenheit. And for the thermal energy is the total kinetic energy of substance. When you double size the cup have a different cup of coffee, you cannot double size the temperature, but you do double the thermal energy. 2 cups have more double thermal energy than 1 cup. We apply the thermal energy in our life very often. In winter, when you hold a book and a metal, you feel the metal is cold and the book is warm. Why? Because metal is the good conductor for the heat. So the heat, when you hold the metal, the heat goes away, but the book is the insulator for the heat. So can you do this one? An iceberg have more thermal energy than a cup of boiled hot coffee. Why? Think about it. Because iceberg have huge mass, but a boiled coffee just has small mass. So the iceberg must have more thermal energy than coffee, even though coffee have higher temperature than iceberg. Also, the thermal energy in real life we can see is the thermal expansion. For example, you can see the bridge. When the engineer designed the bridge, they have leave some gap because the expansion. When the summertime, the heat, the bridge contains more thermal energy and the bridge will expand. So they need some gap to expand. But in the winter time, the temperature is very low and the thermal energy is less. So they will contrast. And the railway, the same reason, same thing. Okay, now we think about what is thermal energy. Thermal energy is the movement of particles. So high temperature must have large thermal energy. Big size, big mass, we have large thermal energy. Thank you for watching.